today is day 137. Currently we are on the way to have our breakfast, which is the same place as we had our breakfast yesterday morning. This place is called Park Sang-yong. The food there is really good and the price is also reasonable. Following that, we are going to go to this place called the Living Land, where we get to learn how people harvest rice and also get to experience it firsthand. And followed by the afternoon, we will have a blacksmith experience where we get to make our own knife. So yes, we have a very busy day today, full of activities. So yeah, we will update you later. Look at this. Is it good?
The noodle is very tender, very good.
So for the rice experience that we are going today, they do provide lunch, but it's 10 USD per person, so it's 20 USD for the both of us, which we thought is very pricey. So we decided to skip the lunch and we got our own lunch instead. So we got a sandwich and we got the sticky rice and grilled egg. Yeah. So all this together is about 3 USD, which is, yeah, it's a lot cheaper lah.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
So we are topping up our petrol at Petrol Vietnam this time before we head to the rice farm. And for Petrol Vietnam, there's only 93. Shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky.
The main it's heavy, it's strong enough. This is coconut grind to mix. They put the rice inside here from the watermelon.
Okay, we're going to work now.
Oh my god.
Okay, first step, sow the seeds. Very fast eh. It's like dragging you along.
Time to harvesting. So now we're going to harvest. Here is Hamong and Khamo. Khamo is origin from Cambodia. Hamong is from Mongolia. Something trail, something, yeah. It's a go up and down, go up and down. Sometimes it's very, very hard. Like a sexy walk. Yeah. Faster. 10 minutes or 15 minutes out of this.
A star.
Oh, the donkey. Donkey. Hey, hey!
Made from sticky rice.
Our homestay.
Very nice. This one really homestay, no lock on the door.
Okay.
Wow, very hard to aim. The blade is already done. Yeah, it's very sharp now. Yeah, enough to cut the wood already. See?
The whole
So we made 2 knives today. This is the before and this is the after. So if you look at this is the construction rebar lah. Yeah, so we heat it under fire, then knock it into this. So today we are at Luang Prabang night market again, and we have a fusion Asian food today. So first off is this Japanese Chinese mala ramen noodle, and this Vietnamese spring roll, a Korean tteokbokki, and a Chinese snack, and also our Lao wine, which is our favorite.